Wave particle problem. I'll remove the particle aspect now and consider only the wave. Wave is nothing but variation of some parameter with respect to time. Considering electromagnetic wave itself, we are having electric field and magnetic field varying with the time, and of course the direction of movement is perpendicular to those two. Anyway, that is a pure wave, and now we'll consider another type of wave. Normally we will say in water when we drop a stone, and of course roughly I am representing it like this. From the location of the stone dropped, it moves radially outwards, and there are two important parameters here. One is the medium itself, I'll rate it as m, and the direction of movement of the wave, that is d. These two are very important parameters. Here both particle and wave exist, but we want what actually exists in nature. Is it particle or wave? We'll try both now. First I'll consider only wave existing in nature, as it is nothing but variation of some parameter in space without a medium, because when we consider a medium we have to consider particle. So we are having a particular wave moving, say electromagnetic wave or whatever it is, in a particular direction. As we know, it is having a parameter, and one of the fundamental thing is, if there is another wave in another direction going through this particular wave, at the point of so-called interaction, almost nothing happens if it is a pure wave like electromagnetic wave. This is one of the characteristic of a pure wave. Even though due to some other effect there may be some interaction, but only wave cannot exist, because for wave to exist it is generated by a charged particle. Electromagnetic waves or wave is generated from charged particles. So particles must exist, only wave cannot exist. Now we will consider particles. Two simple rubber balls I am considering. Of course, different properties will come. Size is one of the very important property. As soon as we consider particle, it should have a size, and it should interact with the forces like gravity and other things. You can see two different colors, it is also a property, and the impact between the two. Look at those two. When we hit one particle with another particle, then they will interact. And also, one of the very important thing is that they are having mass. Massless particles are also there, but if two particles are attracted, then there must be a gravitational force and mass. If they are repelled, then charge must be, like charges must be there, and if there are unlike charges, heavy attraction force will be there. Now comes the shape. We'll assume it to be, for simplicity, spherical, and impact with each other. We can't say that sound is emitted when they are impacted, because these are fundamental particles we are assuming. No sound, nothing. So can we cut it into two? We can't answer such questions. We can't even say the shape of that and size of that, because they are fundamental particles. Smaller than that cannot be measured, and this is the most important one. Two particles cannot occupy the same place at the same time. So what actually exists in nature fundamentally? Is it a wave or a particle or both? Write your opinion in comments. Thank you very much.